New survival gadgets on Amazon 2025. Did you know that over half of all outdoor emergencies happen within just 5 miles of home? It's not always the remote mountain peaks or dense jungles that get you. It's the backyard trails, the weekend hikes, and those spontaneous camping trips. Surprised? You should be. Because survival isn't just for the wild, it's for anywhere you could end up unprepared. And in 2025, technology has leveled up in ways that just might save your life, or at least make your adventure a whole lot smoother. So buckle up and stick around to the end, because the last gadget? It's something even hardcore survivalists didn't see coming. Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Pro Knife. Now, imagine holding in your hand a tool so versatile, it's practically a survival plan wrapped in steel. The Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Pro Knife isn't just a knife, it's a full-blown survival system. Featuring a full-tang high-carbon stainless steel blade, this beast is built for durability and strength in the roughest conditions. The ergonomic rubber grip ensures you won't lose control even when your hands are soaked or frozen. And the integrated fire starter rod clicks right into the sheath, meaning fire is never more than a spark away. And get this, the sheath even includes a built-in whistle and a sharpening stone, so you're literally carrying a whole kit on your belt. Thermarest NeoAir X-Therm Sleeping Pad. Ever tried sleeping in a tent when the ground feels like a frozen meat locker? You don't just wake up stiff, you wake up defeated. The Thermarest NeoAir X-Therm Sleeping Pad takes that nightmare and flips it on its head. This isn't just a sleeping pad, this is NASA-level insulation, with a staggering 7.3 R value that keeps you warm even when the temperature plummets into single digits. Despite its insane thermal efficiency, it weighs just over a pound and packs down to the size of a water bottle. Yes, you read that right. And if you're thinking, well, I'm not camping on Everest, think again. Cold ground saps energy and morale fast, even on chilly spring nights. But here's the kicker. Its triangular core matrix design isn't just warm, it's ridiculously comfortable. Surefire E2D Defender Ultra Flashlight. This isn't your dad's flashlight. The Surefire E2D Defender Ultra is what happens when military-grade tech meets everyday readiness. With a blinding 1,000 lumen output, this compact torch can light up a canyon or disorient a threat in the blink of an eye. And it's not just the brightness that makes this flashlight a must-have. It's the rugged aerospace aluminum body, the dual-output tailcap switch, and the scalloped strike bezel that turns this light into a non-lethal self-defense tool. Some might say carrying a tactical flashlight is overkill, but have you ever tried to change a tire at night on a rural road? Or spotted glowing eyes outside your tent at 2 a.m.? This thing is a game changer, not just for visibility, but for peace of mind. Platypus Gravity Works Water Filter. Clean water. It's the one thing you can't go more than 3 days without, and in many survival situations, it becomes your #1 priority fast. The Platypus Gravity Works Water Filter is revolutionizing how we purify water in the wild. Instead of squeezing or pumping, just fill the dirty reservoir, hang it up, and let gravity do the work, filtering up to 4 liters of water in under 3 minutes. No electricity, no batteries, no effort. Sound too good to be true? It's not. And while there are tons of filters on the market, few combine this level of ease with reliability. Worried about bacteria, protozoa, or microplastics? Don't be. This system removes 99.9999% of them. It's ideal for hikers, campers, or even emergency go bags. Primus Gravity 3 Stove. What if I told you that boiling water in the backcountry could feel like cooking at home? The Primus Gravity 3 Stove isn't just another portable burner. It's a powerhouse designed for tough conditions. With its low-profile design and preheating coil, this stove works beautifully in cold weather and high altitudes where traditional canister stoves sputter and fail. It delivers consistent flames even in gusty winds, and the 4-leg support means your pot won't tip mid-soup. But the best part? The precise flame control. You're not just boiling, you're actually cooking. Pancakes, pasta, even proper espresso. This thing handles it. Some might ask, isn't a stove a luxury in survival? But try eating cold beans 3 nights in a row and tell me morale doesn't matter. Energizer Tactical Flashlight Kit. When it comes to flashlights, most people grab whatever's at the gas station checkout. But the Energizer Tactical Flashlight Kit takes things seriously. With multiple light modes, waterproofing, and a durable aircraft-grade aluminum body. This flashlight isn't just for finding your keys, it's for navigating life-or-death situations. The kit includes colored lenses for night vision, strobe modes for signaling, and a battery pack that keeps you going for up to 35 hours. 35. It's built for extreme environments but accessible enough for anyone to use, whether you're bugging out or just walking the dog in a blackout. Exotac Fire Rod. Ferrocerium Fire Starter. Fire is life, plain and simple, and the Exotac Fire Rod isn't just any fire starter. It's precision-engineered, USA-made, and built to last thousands of strikes, even in rain, snow, or high winds. What makes it different? For starters, the Ferro Rod is replaceable. The waterproof aluminum body has a built-in tinder capsule, and the Striker? It's not some cheap scrap metal. It's designed to throw a shower of sparks that'll ignite just about anything. This is the fire starter serious bushcrafters swear by, and it's compact enough to fit in your pocket or attach to your knife sheath. Think lighting a fire is easy? Not when your hands are numb and the wood is wet. This tool doesn't just give you sparks, it gives you security, confidence, warmth. Goal 0. Crush Power Bank. In 2025, even off-grid survival involves a screen, maps, GPS, emergency texts. But keeping your tech powered in the wild, that's the real challenge. Enter the Goal 0 Crush Power Bank, a collapsible, solar-compatible rugged power solution that crushes, literally and figuratively, every expectation. It folds down flat, weighs next to nothing, and recharges via solar or USB. With dual USB ports, it powers phones, headlamps, GPS units, whatever you need. And it does it without adding bulk. Sure, some purists say survival doesn't need tech, but tell that to someone lost without GPS or trying to signal for help with a dead phone. In 2025, power is survival, and this little beast makes sure you have it. Yeti Rambler 20-ounce tumbler. Last but never least, hydration and comfort. The Yeti Rambler. 20-ounce tumbler isn't flashy, but it's quietly become an essential. Double-wall vacuum insulation means your coffee stays hot for hours, and your water stays ice-cold till sunset. And we're not just talking about sipping convenience. This thing is bear-proof, nearly indestructible, and fits in your hand like it was custom-molded. No spills, no leaks, no metallic taste. Just pure, reliable hydration when you need it most. Now, some folks might think, it's just a tumbler. But when you're 10 miles into a trek and your water's still ice-cold, or that morning coffee is still warm enough to steam, it hits different. It's not just about staying hydrated, so if you found even one piece of gear today that got your heart racing or made you say, I need that, then do yourself a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us which survival gadget you can't wait to try out. We read every single one. Share this video with someone you'd want on your survival team. Because being prepared? That's something we should all take seriously and have fun with.